Okay, my dear friends, today's section I am going to discuss about this particular commands to you. And the last section we are already discussing about the civil plan with the doors, windows and ventilators. Today's section we are going to discuss about this commands to you. So the first command is called what friends is an extend command. So how we are doing the extend, we can see it. We can look at it here. See friends, I am taking the line command over here. I draw a line like this, and I am taking the copy here and take this copy command. So I'm make it that so many copies for here. Yeah, I'm draw this another line over there. I'll take a line this way. See friend, we can observe over here clear. We can observe here. So I wants to be extend this object till this edge. So why I made this edge means because of the reason is, so if I'm not having any edge on here, then this object will not go into the extend. So that's why be careful about that. Be careful about that. We need to be make your edges for here. If you are not making this edge now, so then what happens, it is not going to the extent here. So that's very important. So that's why we need to be making the extents now. So that's how we do that. We have the command there. So that is what friends is an extend command. So take that ex enter, and I'm selecting this all those objects and enter. I'm selecting this all those objects and enter. And after that we can see friends, we need to select that one edge here. So for suppose if I am selecting on this edge now, so it's not going to the extend. Why it's not going to the extend means because of that line segment midpoint after midpoint having edge, but before the midpoint we don't have an edge here. So that's why if you are selecting on this side, it will not go into the extend here. Why? Because of this line segment doesn't know that way the having edge, but this line segment is having an edge on this side. So that's why we can easily extend it here. I'm clicking here, so automatically we can extend it this way. Or otherwise we can use the cross selection also. Already we know that how we have made the cross selection. We can make a cross selection like this, then automatically it go into the extend here. And that is what the extend command. And next thing is what I said you, extend means ex enter, select the objects, enter, select the object to extend. Okay, that is the way we do. Explode means what friends, it converts compound object to its component objects. Okay, how? Look at here friends, I have the rectangle here. So this is my rectangle here. So if we are selecting this object now, so all rectangle is going to be select now. So why? Because of the rectangle is a one object. So but if in case if I wants to be expanded, and if you wants to be exploded, what happens we can say now. So it's a compound object. Why? Because if you are selecting single segment, all the other segments are selected. It means it's a single object. But I can see now X enter, and I'm selecting this object, enter. Then what happens you can see now. Now it's converted as a it's converted as a four line objects. Explode means it's nothing but compound objects to component objects. So that is what we do. X enter, select the objects, enter. Next, ellipse. What is meaning of ellipse here? So that's very simple. El enter, specify the first axis endpoint and specify the endpoint of other axis. Specify the same thing, but I want to specify the endpoint over here. So I just moving it on here, and we do that. I specify the end point here, and I can specify the distance to the other axis. See friend, I'm specifying the distance to the other axis, and I click here. Then what happens, the ellipse comes out here. So it means el enter, specify axis endpoint, and specify axis specify other endpoint of access, and specify the distance to other axis. You know that so we have major axis, minor axis, that we are deciding it in the ellipse now, so that's a major axis, minor axis. Next command is polyline. That's also very simple, so we have made the line like that. So how we do that we can see now. PL enter. So I'm taking the start point over here and I'm drag it like this, and I'm doing it way. And polyline is a single object. See, same thing we do by line also, but we are selecting each and every segment, but here there is no need that we can select like this. This is called is what? Polyline. So okay, PL enter. And see friend, the polyline is having same thing, other things also, like see, I'll show you. PL enter, I specify the first point here, click here, but I want to make the arc now, so I can say now arc, no problem. And I want to be line here, I just were pressing the L enter, I can take line like this. And if you want to make arc here, so it's no problem, so I just will take an arc. So take arc enter. Yeah, this is a way we are doing. So see, we need to take this line commands. Okay, I just pressing line it this way, escape. So we can make this polyline like this. Okay, this is a way we are doing it also. This is SP line. The polyline means PL enter and specify the first point and second point. And this is SP line. SP line means it's nothing but smooth line. So I'll show you that. Smooth curves. Okay, SPL enter and specify the first point. Say I'm off the F8. Now I'm drawn this way. This is an SP line. Enter. Now we can see this friends, when you are selecting this one, we are seeing the fit points over here. This is called the fit points. For suppose we can see if we wants to be edges this, we can click that and we can drag it. So then it will be moving it. This all are is a fit points. If in case if we wants to be turned as control vertices, we can click on this button and we can change it control vertices. Then it changes as control vertices like this, and we can change it like that. So okay, this is a way we are doing. By using of this mouse we can make your own shapes now. Okay, that is. And revision cloud is very simple. So why? See friends, if you want to be highlight something, I'm drawing now, so how we can highlight it? That's the meaning of revision cloud. Okay, so revision cloud, enter. Now you can see this and specify the first point here, and I'm drag it like this. Now what happens you can see now. So one cloud type of shape is comes out here. See, this type of shape is comes out here, and this is actual meaning of the revision cloud. The revision cloud means it's nothing but we can highlight something. So that is by using of the some clouding shape. Okay, now chamfer. So what is the meaning of chamfer? Means chamfer is also very simple. So I try this L enter, I take a line now, I take a light line like this. See friend, I want to be take a chamfer corner over here, so that's how we do that. That's very simple. CHA enter. CHA means chamfer, and D enter, D for the distance. So I'm choosing the distance, that is what friends is a 2, and the first chamfer distance. I give it, then the second chamfer distance is 1. Now I'm selecting the first line. It means the first line will take that 2 distance. Why? Because of the first chamfer distance is given by 2, and I'm taking 2. And the second chamfer distance is given by 1, so second line is I'm selecting. So what happens we can see now, the chamfer corner is came out. So this is what the chamfer we do. And see friend, this mocoro command is already I discussed with you. The mocoro means is nothing but move, copy, rotate. But so these 3 commands we can use at a time friend. So I do it. So I can say now mocoro, enter. And see friend, I'm selecting these objects, enter. Now the base point, see every 3 commands are asking base point, but I'm specify the base point. Now this is asking about what friend, move, copy, rotate and scale. So which one is we wants to be do that? We can take copy. So now it's a copy. Click it here. Yeah, click it here. Now click on escape now. So what happens means is back to the move or copy and rotate. So they're asking you. Yeah, so they're asking you. So you can see now. So this will be comes out here, and click on exit now. So it will be exited it. So that is what we do by using of the mocoro. Okay. Ray means what? For suppose I wants to make the infinity line through this point. Okay. From this point I wants to make an infinity line. So then how we do that? Ray. So I'm taking this point here, and I specify this. I'm off that F8. So I'm off the F8 here. It's taking time, but okay. See. So now it's an infinity line, friends, that we need to remember, but okay. I'm off the ortho now, so and we can make the infinity line continuously, friends. That is what we do. And we have other command, that is what, friends, is X line. X line means is infinity line, friend. We can easily, and the ray means it will be make an infinity line from the point, but X line means it will make the infinity line on the both sides. Okay, this is the commands I'm going to discuss with you, and next section I'm going to discuss the next commands, like I'm going to discuss about the array commands to you. Okay, and or otherwise I can start it by annotation commands to you. Okay. Okay, friends, and please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts, please comment below. Okay, bye.